Advance your credibility and career with smart body language. There's nothing more frustrating than having your credibility doubted, especially when you've been trying your best to convey something you believe passionately. If you find this happening often, you might want to consider what your body language might be saying about you. Body language becomes crucial to career success, especially when your reputation is on the line. By paying attention to how you stand and move as you interact with others, you'll find you're better able to convey your message, which will advance your credibility as well. With this in mind, let's look at some quick tips to will you to use your head before you set the rest of your body in motion. What do you do to pump you up? Sometimes the problem lies in the tone and attitude in which you first engage in the conversation. Remember, someone confident is always going to come off as being genuine. If you're afraid, you're not feeling it. Take a minute before you engage socially to pump yourself up. Remember a time when you were feeling at your confident best. Hold on to this feeling and make it your own all over again. Listen to yourself talk. Studies have shown that people automatically react to certain voices in specific ways. A high-pitched voice seems nervous and insincere. Try pitching your voice a little lower as you talk. Also, pay attention to the speed at which the words come out of your mouth. People tend to speed up when nervous, so it might be wise to slow down a little. A calm tone and pace enhance credibility. Lose the nervous twitch. When anxious, it's not uncommon to fidget with things. What you might not realize is this kind of twitching around is going to make it look like you're hiding something. For the sake of sincerity, you need to break those habits fast. Try this trick. While seated, you might have your hands steady, but your foot might be in motion. Learn the go-to behavior you're particularly apt to gravitate toward in social situations. Are you a hair twirler? Do you play with your pen in meetings? When you spot the behavior starting, take a deep breath and put your hands palm down on your legs, on the lap, or on the table. This will steady you and give you the added bit of confidence you need to make your point. Pay attention to the basics. Don't forget the cardinal rules. Watch your posture, maintain eye contact, and use open gestures when speaking. If you're going for a smile, make sure it's genuine. These are the building blocks of confident credibility. Don't trip yourself up by forgetting something so basic. With the right body language, you'll gain the confidence in your interactions and build the credibility needed to advance your career to the next level. It all starts with being smart and paying attention to your body language.